Tired of waking up with a stuffy nose, dealing with stubborn pet odors, or dusting your furniture every single day? Meet the KNKA APH4000 Air Purifier, your ultimate solution for clean, fresh indoor air. Engineered with a dual intake system and high-efficiency filtration, this powerful unit purifies spaces up to 1,695 square feet in just 1 hour. It traps 99.9% of dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke, while the Washable Pre-Filter saves you money on long-term replacement costs. Love pets? Switch on the dedicated pet mode to rapidly eliminate hair and tough odors. Need total silence while you sleep? Ultra-quiet sleep mode runs at a whisper-soft 22 decibels, so you can rest completely undisturbed. Plus, the real-time AQI display instantly lets you know the quality of the air you breathe. Transform your home into a fresh sanctuary today. Click the Amazon link provided in the video description below to grab yours now before stock runs out.